Hello everyone, I hope you're having a fantastic day. The topic for today's video is what the whole world is talking about right now. From software engineers to business owners and content creators, everyone is going gaga about the AI content generator ChatGPT. ChatGPT is all the rage right now. Even if you are remotely related to marketing or business, you still would have heard about the revolutionary thing that is supposed to change the way businesses interact. There are ongoing debates everywhere if AI platforms like this should be encouraged or not, and how it has made certain softwares and websites seem obsolete. While we may watch to see the fate of this AI chatbot, there is no harm in trying to use this for our business needs, right? So for people wondering and who are still curious as to what exactly is ChatGPT, then this video is perfect for you. ChatGPT, which is also known as Chat Generative Pre-trained Transformer, is a chatbot that was launched by OpenAI in November 2022. After its initial testing, it has been improved with supervised learnings from human trainees. It is still in the process of improvements as users are allowed to upvote or devote the responses they receive from ChatGPT. Therefore, upon upvoting or downvoting, they can also fill a text feed with additional feedback to help the software upgrade. While it also looks extremely promising and versatile, it does have its limitations in terms of data and sensibility. But even with all it has been shaking industries and making lives easier for a ton of people. As a small business, you should not be missing out on any such tool that makes your work a lot less simpler. So hop on the bandwagon and let us brief you as to how to use ChatGPT for aiding your business functions. Since it's a chatbot, the very first use that comes into our mind is customer communication. In your customer service division, the integration of ChatGPT can help you in various ways, and we are going to be highlighting some of these in this video. The first is being API integration. The OpenAI API can be integrated into your website, messaging platforms, or mobile apps to provide instant responses to customer queries. The second use of it is also the chatbot development. This is basically a chatbot powered by ChatGPT that can help in building automate customer service interactions, providing instant responses to frequently asked questions, and resolving the simpler issues. The third benefit is that it comes with an extensive knowledge base. ChatGPT can be used to create a comprehensive knowledge base for customer service agents, providing them with relevant information to answer customer queries. The next benefit of this is its multilingual support. For lingual variations, the app can be trained on multiple languages to provide customer service in various languages, therefore improvising your customer experience for non-native speakers also. The fifth benefit of ChatGPT is the natural language processing. This app uses advanced NLP techniques to understand the meaning behind customer queries and provide relevant responses, therefore improvising the overall accuracy of customer service experience. The sixth benefit of ChatGPT is the customization. The responses generated by ChatGPT can be tailored according to your brand's tone as well as the language, ensuring that the customer service experience aligns with the business's branding as well as the messaging. In terms of customer front communication, ChatGPT may actually aid your business in becoming efficient and also taking the load off from executives. The bigger and better revolution it is bringing is in the content development space, and it can help you in various ways like, firstly, text generation. This tool can generate written content such as product description, blog posts, articles, and marketing copy, therefore saving your business a lot of time as well as resources. Second, this app is great for storytelling. It can be used to generate creative and engaging stories, providing businesses with the unique and original content for their marketing campaigns. The third benefit of this tool is also the personalized content. The tool can be trained on specific data sets to generate personalized content for specific target audience, improving the relevance as well as the impact of the content upon the end user. The fourth benefit is translation. ChatGPT can be used to automatically translate written content into multiple languages, making it easier for a business to reach a global audience. The next benefit of this tool is summarization. Summarizing long format articles, blog posts, and other written content, making it easier for readers to digest and understand complex information. While this is just the tip of the iceberg, customer communication and content are the major areas where ChatGPT finds its extensive use. There are several other domains that are being explored by people all around the world in using this tool to solve issues and generate content for pretty much everything from coding to stories. This video was just a brief introduction to how this tool is finding its way into helping industry professionals and how small businesses can start exploring it. For in-depth tutorials on ChatGPT, please let us know down in the comment section below. ChatGPT is a revolutionary tool when used with the right motive. Wondering how powerful it is? Well, the content for this video too was powered by ChatGPT itself. So come on, hurry up and learn how to use ChatGPT to help you run your small business better and easier. If you like this video, like, share and subscribe to our channel. Let's make global trade local.